We're going to continue discovering all of these tricks of the trade in Sheets. So right here, I use the template from Google Sheets themselves. I type in a name. Okay, so here's my student. If I'm keeping track of the things that they're doing, okay, I can go up here to Insert, choose Checkbox, and it puts a checkbox there. But then I don't want to do that every single time. Here is a really quick way for you to make this go across the board. You're going to pull down and, well, let's start by pulling over, and then we're going to pull down, and it puts checkboxes here. This is great for keeping track of student work, keeping track of your to-do list, all those good things. But this is checkboxes and then using the crosshairs to fill in. Best of luck using this awesome feature.